Dear real estate investor, so you just recently purchased a plot of land, or perhaps two. Congratulations, a great milestone for you. However, I am sure that there's a step you might have skipped. If you belong to this class of people, you should act immediately after watching this video. It will be in your best interest. So after purchasing land, there's a final stage called the taking of physical possession of the land. A lot of real estate investors skip this part, perhaps because they think it's not important. But not taking possession of the land that you have just purchased only means one thing. Your land is open to encroachment. It means someone come and take piece or all of your land. Yes, that's possible. We don't take physical possession of the land that you have bought. So it is not just enough for you to have a deed of assignment or have paid for the land. It's not enough. You need to take physical possession. So how do you take physical possession? That's quite easy. All you have to do is go to the land, erect like 4, 5, 6 coaches of fence around the plot of land. By the time you have 4 people on the 4 sides of the plot of your land, taking 5, 6, 8, 10 meters each, your land is gone. So to prevent encroachment, taking possession is your best bet. And taking possession by erecting a fence. Of course, you can do it by other means. You can put a tipper of sand or gravel on the plot of land. You can even start a building project, maybe your dream house, or perhaps just a gate house. But the one with the fence options actually stops people from taking a cut out of your land on any of the sides. But just in case your land has been encroached upon, which means you did not take possession before now, my strong advice is that you don't do it on your own. You'll be taking matters into your own hands, which means you'll be going against the law. So you get your lawyer involved, an experienced real estate lawyer who would intervene in the court of law. If you have found this video useful, helpful, why don't you like and of course share, but also go a step further and subscribe to my YouTube channel just so that you don't miss out on other videos when I post them. You'll be in for a lot of goodies here. Thank you for watching and you're welcome.